Hello everybody, I am Dr. Bhavesh Wajifdar, interventional cardiologist at Leelavati Hospital, Mumbai. This World Heart Day 2020, we find ourselves in a really difficult situation due to the COVID pandemic, which has played havoc with almost everyone's life. We realize that this pandemic is going to last much longer than what we had expected. Just staying indoors and locking ourselves in is not the answer. We cannot lock ourselves in for an indefinite period of time. We need to go on with our life. Of course, we need to take the proper precautions so that we don't get infected by this terrible disease. We all know of the economic problems which the disease is giving to all of us, and we all are trying our best to get the economy back for our own selves and for the society in general. But what many of us tend to ignore is that our heart and our health in general is also very important. A long period of time of neglect of your heart diseases or any other disease can really play havoc with our health. It can be disastrous. We see that people are afraid to go to the hospitals for a routine checkup. I have had many patients who have been neglecting their heart. They have not been coming for regular checkups, and because of this they have got into problems. One very sad incident happened just 2 days ago. One of my best friend's father, 75-year-old gentleman, who was a heart patient but who was seemingly stable and had minimal symptoms. He was to come for a follow-up in March, but because of the pandemic, he just avoided coming to the hospital. He wouldn't do any tests, and then when he got some minor problems, he would just take some medicines and stay at home. Finally, just 2 days back, his symptoms got very bad, and then he had no option but to rush to the hospital. By the time he rushed to the hospital, it was a very late stage and we actually lost him. His COVID was negative, but his death can only be attributed to the COVID pandemic itself. All of us are really worried. We do not go to the hospital, but we have to realize that though all the hospitals, almost all hospitals have COVID patients, but every hospital, every doctor, every staff of the hospital takes care to keep the COVID patients separate from the non-COVID patients. In fact, hospitals have strict, almost airtight compartments for COVID patients and non-COVID patients, and also for the indeterminate or suspect patients in whom we do not know that whether the patient has COVID or not. So all patients are appropriately segregated into COVID patients, non-COVID patients, and suspect patients who are quickly first triaged and found whether they need to go into the COVID or non-COVID segment. So hospitals are relatively safe. We do not get infected very easily when we go to a hospital. So the request is that if you are a heart patient, if you have a heart problem, or even if you are not a known heart patient but you have a doubt, you have a symptom which could be suggestive of a heart disease, please do not ignore that. Do not be afraid to go to the hospital. Please go for a regular checkup. Of course, you need to take the precautions, take your proper precautions and go for your checkups and your tests so that the doctor can keep your heart healthy. Also, for people who are normal and healthy, I would like to say that this is a long period of time to stay locked in inside. You have to do some form of an exercising. Normally, we advise even healthy young people to keep a heart healthy lifestyle. That means to eat properly, to avoid junk food and food containing a lot of sugar and cholesterol. And we advise everybody to avoid smoking. We ask everybody to go for regular brisk walks or jogs as per their age, which is not possible these days. But yes, you have to restart this. You have to take your precautions. You wear your mask. You keep your social distancing. You do your regular exercise. Go out for walks, and please stay healthy. Please take your proper precautions against the COVID virus, but at the same time, do not ignore the other diseases. Stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.